Hello everyone, in this video we will write a Java program to perform addition of two numbers. Let me add here, we are not going to take any input from user in this video. Instead of that, we will be storing values to variables and performing addition on that. So let's get started. Let me open Sublime Text Editor. Let me start writing the code. Class name, add to num. Now let me write main method public static void main string yes. Till now we have not written the logic to perform addition of two number. This much code is prerequisite for every program we write in Java. Now let me go ahead and write the logic for addition of two number. So let me declare two variables int a and b. Let me also declare one more variable sum, where I will be storing the sum of two numbers. Let me store two integer value to a and b, 20 and 40. Let me perform addition a plus b. Now let me print the value of the sum of two number system.out.print. Let me pass one message, addition of two number equal to. Now let me pass the variable which stores the addition of two number, that is sum. Let me type semicolon. So this is the program we have written to perform addition of two numbers. Let me explain the program. Here two integer value 20 and 40 have been stored into two integer variables a and b respectively, and addition of a and b has been performed by using plus operator, and the addition is stored into a variable called sum, and by using system.out.print we have printed the value of sum. Now let me go ahead and save the program first. So let me click on save as. Let me provide the same name as the class name and with extension .java. Let me save it. So we are done with saving the source code. Now let me go ahead to the command prompt and compile and execute the program. Let me go to the directory where we have saved the source code, that is D directory. Now let me go to the same folder where we have saved it, that is QA Insights by ZiyaurRahman. Now let me compile the code. To compile the code we have command java c, then source code file name, that is add to num.java. Let me press enter. Here we did not get any error. That means compilation has been succeeded. Now let me execute the program. To execute the program we have a command java, then bytecode. After a compilation of source code we get bytecode, and that bytecode is being executed. So let me execute the bytecode. It would have the same name as the class name, where we have main method, so that is add to num.class. So .class is not required here. Now we could see here addition of two number equal to 60. That is what we had written in the logic. We had taken two integer values 20 and 40 and we had stored it to two integer variable a and b, and then we had performed the addition by using a plus operator, and we had stored it to the sum, and by using system.out.print command we have displayed we have printed the value of sum. Yeah, that's it in this program. If you feel video is helpful, please do like and share the video, and also please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.